Hey guys, here today to make a new video. Today mainly this is going to be for the two-stroke guys, especially if you got a factory finished pipe. Pretty much I'm going to show you what you guys can do is how to clean the surface rust off and how to protect it and keep it from getting rusty in storage, or protect it while riding from moisture and building up rust. This is pretty simple. You can do it at home. I see a lot of videos people have the whole pipe off, but today we'll just be doing it with it on the bike, just because that's what probably most people will do. I'm not going to take this damn thing off and go through all the work just to clean it up. Super simple. I'll show you what you need. So just some WD-40. I like to use the non-aerosol, just in like a Windex type spray bottle. And important, Scotch-Brite, the heavy scour pads. These ones are made of like a strong recycled plastic. You don't want like the steel wool type ones or anything too rough, because you'll put scratches and damage the finish of the pipe. So you get the Scotch-Brite heavy scour pads because they're made of a plastic material. A couple microfiber cloths to clean it up and wipe it down afterwards. I got some paper towels. You might not need it. I might not even use them, but I figured better to have them and not need them than not have them and need them. And any kind of plastic sheet, or I just got a garbage bag. Pretty much I'm just going to put this behind the exhaust and cover up stuff just so I'm not making a mess everywhere. I just want to clean the exhaust, show you guys, and yeah, so without further ado, let's get to it and show you. Alright guys, as you can see, I got the garbage bag all tucked behind the exhaust pipe. I got it in the front, tucked behind. Also back here, I just kind of tucked it behind the gas tank and over the engine and down the side. Also, if you haven't noticed, I just got like a small bungee cord, or you can get like a little piece of rope, and I just got the Kickstarter and bungee corded down to the stand. That way it's just out the way and I'm not hitting it. Alright, so now that we got covered all up, what we'll do is grab the WD-40. We'll put it on a spray pattern. And what we'll do is just pretty much just soak the exhaust pipe in WD-40. Alright, what we're just going to do now is pretty much let it sit for a few minutes, let it soak in, penetrate some of that surface rust, and then we'll go ahead and grab the Scotch-Brite, and then we'll start scrubbing some of that rust out. Alright, we'll spray another coat on there, and then we'll begin to start working some of that rust off. What I probably should have done, which I forgot, put some plastic gloves on, but too late now. But for you guys at home, I'd recommend putting some plastic gloves on. And it will be a little hard to reach, obviously, behind the pipe with the cylinder and stuff there in the way, but just do the best you can. If you look close, you can just see like all that rust is just already pretty much off. Just gotta wipe it down after. Spray some more WD-40. Just trying to get the rust off this little bracket here. If you're doing all this, you want to try your best not to miss any spots. Otherwise, when you're done, if you're super OCD, you're going to see the nice clean exhaust, and just every time you look at the exhaust, you're just going to look at that one little spot you missed. So I'm just trying to do the best I can, getting as much as I can. Now you kind of see a little bit more where you can miss some spots. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to spray some more WD-40 on there, and then I'm going to get the microfiber cloth and just kind of give it a nice little polish wipe down and see how that looks. Alright, you can see it looks a million times better. Almost looks brand new. So we'll do is remove this now. I just want to make sure you get all behind the exhaust. Try and loop the cloth around. There we go. Alright, look at that. Alright, so once you get it to where you like it and you're happy with the work, what you'll do is go ahead and spray one more coat of WD-40 on. And this one will kind of be like the sealing coat, where you kind of just want it to stay on. I don't know if you can see, but what I'm doing is pretty much, I'm not wiping all of it off. I'm just spraying it and kind of dabbing or wiping the excess runoff. So I'm keeping the coat of WD-40 on there. I'm pretty much just lightly getting the thick runny stuff off. So you want to keep a coat on there. As you can see, that shine, that's from the WD-40 I'm keeping on the exhaust. Alright, there you have it. All done. I've probably done this whole job, probably done 5 to 10 minutes. It's not very hard. You don't need a stand like I do. Easily do it at home. WD-40 is about 10 bucks. And those fiber cloths, Scotch-Brites. You can get a pack of Scotch-Brites for like $3. Quick, easy fix. And guarantee once you put this in storage or go riding, the WD-40 is going to stay on here. It's going to help repel moisture, water. Now obviously there's a lot more better products out there. They're like the tacky rust inhibitors and stuff like that. I'm regularly down here tinkering with my bikes. Just every once in a while, just spray a new coat on and just dab it off, just like I did to finish. And that'll keep that coat on there and keep it nice and protected. And obviously you don't want to do all this and then start the bike up right away. I'd wait a few hours, let it dry, cure. This is not something you want to do right when you're about to go ride, obviously. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you're going to try this trick out and how it works for you. And until next time, I'll drop a new video for you guys. Stay tuned. Thanks.